Welcome to Lightning Force, your go-to destination for all things Salesforce. In the Salesforce Spring 24 release, the Scratch.org Snapshots feature is now in beta. A snapshot is a point-in-time copy of a Scratch.org that includes installed packages, features, limits, licenses, metadata, and data. It allows to create Scratch.org replicas. Let's go through the process of utilizing this feature. First, we have to perform the required activations in the production org. We enable the Dev Hub so we can create and manage Scratch orgs. Then we proceed to enable the Scratch.org Snapshots beta feature. Next, I assume that you have already set up a Salesforce DX project in Visual Studio Code and authorized the production org. To create the first Scratch org, we can use the default definition file. Notice that I have set has sample data to true. We can now execute the sf create Scratch org command using the production dev org as a dev hub and the definition file in order to create a new Scratch org. The org has been created. Let's now access it. As expected, we have some sample data available in the org, and we can see that it's a Scratch org from the domain. Now we can proceed to the Salesforce setup to make a simple metadata change in the org by creating a new field. We have created a field named Test on the account object. We can now use the sf org create snapshot command to create a snapshot from the Scratch org that we have already created. Task done, the org snapshot is successfully created. Next, we set up a new Scratch org definition file that references the snapshot we have just created. We execute the sf create Scratch org again, but this time using the new definition file that utilizes the snapshot created from the first Scratch org. We've done it! Our first Scratch org has just been created using an org snapshot. Let's access it. Again, we can tell that it's a Scratch org from the org domain. And it includes the sample data we had in the source Scratch org from which we created the snapshot. Let's navigate to the setup to check if it also has the test field that we have created on the account object. It's all good. The account test field is here. I hope this review gave you a good understanding of how to use the Scratch org snapshots. Thanks for watching.